When you say passive income, do you mean what do you mean?
I mean not having to work all day long. I want to be on a beach in Mexico instead of being on an office in Sweden in cold November.
Even though passive income might not be exactly what this gentleman is talking about, in this video I'll share with you 5 simple online businesses that you can start today and earn passive income with.
Are you being serious right now?
Yes, I'm 100% serious. And these are all methods that you can start with very little or even no capital and earn thousands of dollars in passive income a lot faster than with the traditional methods like investing in stocks or real estate. So let's get started. There's a big chance this is not the first time you hear about passive income. It's a term that is misunderstood by almost everyone who hears about it for the first time. But let's actually see what Gary Vee has to say about passive income.
I think that when people say, hey, let's do passive income, they go into like Spam City, USA oftentimes. You know, I have passive income when I'm investing in early stage startups that then go sell for 400x and I didn't do anything. I made money. Shit, I made more money on my passive income probably than my hustle income. They both work, but please make sure that your passive income has practicality to it, because all the people that have tried to create systems and automate their cash, there's been a very small percentage of people that have been able to lay on the beach while they collect money on the internet. A lot of that stuff is completely ludicrous, and I promise you the ones in the 1% of passive income spent a boatload of hard work and hard time to get to that evergreen place up in the sky. And so, you know, I think that there's an enormous, massive misunderstanding that there are almost 0 people that have pulled off substantial success without putting in real time and effort. Now, we all have different ambitions and goals. Do I think that it's easier to create $60,000 a year in passive income on the internet today? I sure do. And if that's what your goal and ambition is, that's more practical than millions. Millions of dollars in passive income on the internet, smoking weed in Jamaica while it just keeps coming in is just not as real as you think, partner.
Now, before you continue to watch this video, I'd really like to know what you personally think about passive income. Does it exist, or is it just some fairy tale marketers try to sell you on? Pause this video and let me know your opinion down below in the comment section, and let's see if you still have the same opinion after watching this video. So there are a few things you should take away from this clip of Gary Vee ranting about passive income. First of all, there is no secret method or system you can take advantage of to start making money flow into your bank account without putting in any work yourself. There are definitely people online who want to sell you on that dream, but unfortunately it doesn't exist. Secondly, you have to put in the work up front and you'll earn passive income later. So you have to become active before you can earn passively. That's the part most people like to forget. And thirdly, it's much more realistic to shoot for $5,000 per month in passive income than $100,000 per month. Passive income is built slowly over time, but it can eventually add up to a 6 or even 7-figure income. Just remember, the more passive income you want to build, the more active work you have to put in up front. Also, while certain businesses can generate you passive income for a very long time, there's most likely no business that will generate you passive income forever, especially on the internet where things change really fast. So now that we have that cleared up and I've crushed your dreams about passive income, let's actually look at the 5 businesses that you can earn passive income with once you put in the active work to build them. Number 1, Fulfillment by Amazon, or Amazon FBA. Everyone knows that you can buy almost anything online from Amazon. What most people don't know is that you can also sell almost anything on Amazon. So here's how Amazon FBA works. You use a research tool like Jungle Scout or Viral Launch to find profitable products that consumers are looking to buy on Amazon. Once you find a product that people want to buy on Amazon, you look for a manufacturer who can produce that product at relatively low cost. The go-to place to look for and contact manufacturers is a website called Alibaba.com. Good practice is to order samples from different manufacturers to find a good supplier that you can work with long term. Once you've found a good supplier, you'll order a certain amount of units of the product you want to sell and have it shipped to an Amazon fulfillment center. This is a warehouse of Amazon where your products will be stored. So you actually never even have to see or touch any of the products that you sell except from the samples that you order before you decide on a supplier. Once your product is in the Amazon Fulfillment Center, you'll list your products on the Amazon Marketplace so that people can find it online. When someone orders your product from Amazon, you actually don't have to do anything. Amazon will ship your orders, handle customer service, and take care of any returns. All you have to do at that point is to order more units of your product from your supplier so that you won't run out of stock. Other than that, your business will run pretty passively because you don't have to do advertising to drive traffic to your store or deal with shipping and customer support. Amazon will do all of that for you. Some challenges of this business model are finding a profitable product for which there isn't too much competition, finding a good and reliable supplier, and ranking your product listing on the first page of Amazon search. It's also not a business that you can start for free because you'll need to order and pay for the products before you can sell it on Amazon. And it's also a good idea to invest in a good course that can teach you how to do Amazon FBA correctly. However, if you're willing to put in time and effort, Amazon FBA is a great business model that can make you passive income. And because of that, it's also scalable. There are people selling multiple products on Amazon and they're making well over $100,000 per month in profit. I'll leave some resources in the description below this video if you want to learn more about Amazon FBA. Now, before we move on to the second way you can make passive income with online, I want to ask you for a quick favor. If you could take a second to change that color of that gray thumbs up button below this video, that would really help me out. I heard all it takes to change the color of that button is to give it a gentle tap. If you want to be super helpful, you can also let me know in the comments what color that button changed to after you gave it a friendly tap. Thanks so much, you're the best. Okay, let's move on to the second passive income business model, which is Kindle publishing on Amazon. This is actually pretty similar than Amazon FBA, but instead of selling physical products, you're selling ebooks. This doesn't mean that you have to become an author or write the book yourself. What most people do is they hire ghostwriters to write the content for them, and they then publish and market the ebook. Before you start writing an ebook or hire a ghostwriter to write one, you have to do some research about what kind of book topics people are actually searching for on Amazon. If you skip this step, chances are high nobody will ever find your book, let alone buy it. Doesn't matter how great your book is. As a marketer, your job isn't to create the need for a product, your job is to identify an already existing need and position yourself with a product to fulfill that need or solve that problem. So once you have found a topic that people are interested in, you'll need to identify the keywords that people type into the Amazon search bar about that specific topic. Based on the keywords that you want your book to appear in the search results, you'll create the title and the cover of the book. The key to make your book rank high in search is to differentiate it from the competition. A couple of ways you can differentiate your book is by having a cover and title that really stands out, by having more pages, or by offering a bonus like an audio version that goes along with your ebook. Once you have your marketing strategy in place, it's time to create the actual content of the book. And like I already mentioned, you can hire a ghostwriter to write the book for you, or you can write it yourself if you think that you know the topic well, and you can create a lot of value for the audience who will read your book. Creating something valuable that readers actually like and benefit from is key because it needs to get good reviews on Amazon to be able to stay relevant and generate passive income for you down the line. After you've published your book on Amazon, you have to do some marketing to get the ball rolling and get ranked higher in search. There are many marketing methods you can use, like social media marketing, paid advertising, email marketing, and many others. Once your book gets traction and gets a lot of good reviews, Amazon will promote that book for you, and you will see more money rolling in month after month. Kindle publishing is a great way to get started with making money online because the process is very simple. It becomes very passive once your book gets traction, and you can also build a brand from your Kindle business. There's a great and quite affordable course on how to get started with Kindle publishing from Stephen James of Project Life Mastery. I'll leave a link to his course down below in the description. Now, the third way you can make passive income online with is by creating and selling an online course. Now, creating your own online course might sound very intimidating right now, but it's probably not as hard as you think. Websites like Teachable, Skillshare, or Udemy have made it quite simple to make money selling online courses. And since it's become so easy to host online courses with these websites, there's been tons of people who are making 6 or even 7-figure incomes by selling an online course. The key to create a successful online course is to plan it out and have a strategy before you begin creating it. People are not buying an online course because they like taking online courses. People buy an online course because they want to achieve a specific outcome. This might be getting their own podcast up and running, building their first mobile application, or editing their first video in Premiere Pro. Before you start creating videos and documents for your course, you'll need to think about how you'll market your course so that you get it in front of potential customers. The easiest way to get your course in front of people is to upload it to an online course marketplace like Udemy or Skillshare. There you have the advantage that these websites will promote your course for you, so you don't need an audience to make money. In return though, they'll take a big cut of your earnings. Another way to do it is to build an audience first, then upload the course to a website like Teachable and promote the course to your audience. This way it will take longer to make your first dollar, but it will be more profitable in the long run because people like to buy from someone they know and trust. By using a website like Teachable, you also have the advantage of being able to determine the price of the course yourself, and they don't take a big commission off your earnings either. A great way to build an audience is to start a blog or a YouTube channel and build an email list of people who are interested in the topic that you'll create a course on. You can give out free information and already start teaching people so that once you launch your course, your audience already knows and trusts you and will gladly pay you for a course that helps them with whatever you're teaching. Once your course is online and you have set up a system to continue to get traffic to your course, you'll also continue to get sales each month, which makes this a business model that can become a passive income stream for you. And that brings me to the fourth way you can make passive income with online, and that is affiliate marketing with blogging. Affiliate marketing is my personal favorite way to create passive income with. It's when you promote a product of somebody else and earn a commission for every person that you refer. There are a million products that you can promote, and I bet that for most of the stuff that you're using, there's also an affiliate program that you can sign up for and make money by promoting what you're already using. Ever bought something on Amazon? Well, for whatever you bought, there's an affiliate program for. Or were you ever doing research on something that you thought about buying and you ended up on a website that reviewed that exact product and maybe also some others? I bet there were links all over the place linking to these products on Amazon. Guess what? If you click on those links and end up buying something on Amazon in the next 24 hours, the person who owns this website or blog will earn a commission from whatever you buy. That's how affiliate marketing works for bloggers. The great thing about affiliate marketing is that you don't have to own your own product or service, you also don't have to provide customer support, and you earn money by helping people and recommending good products and services. When you're a blogger, you're choosing written content as your main form of communication. So you'll have to set up a website where people can find your articles. The search engines Google, Bing, and Yahoo will be your main sources of traffic, so you'll need to optimize your articles for searchable keywords, with the goal of getting ranked on the first page. Once your articles are ranked on the first page, you'll continue to get traffic to your website and you'll start earning income from your affiliate links. To maximize profits, you'll want to optimize your website as much as possible to convert your visitors into customers. At some point, you also want to start collecting email addresses from your website to build an audience that you can notify when you upload a new blog post or that you can also promote products to. Having a blog with articles ranked in search engines together with an email marketing system can be a very powerful passive income business. The best place to learn how to build a blog and monetize it is a platform called Wealthy Affiliate. It's a training platform, a website builder, and a community at the same time that's helping people build profitable blogs since 2004. I've been part of this community myself for quite some time now, and not too long ago I've made a review video about Wealthy Affiliate. I'll leave a link to that video down below in the description. So let's now move on to the fifth way how to make passive income online, and that's actually YouTube. You might be thinking that you need tens of thousands or even millions of subscribers to make a significant amount on YouTube. Actually though, you don't. At the time of recording this video, this YouTube channel you're watching right now currently has around 3,000 subscribers and is generating well over $1,000 passively each and every single month. Only about 10% of that income actually comes from YouTube ad revenue. When you clicked on this video, there might have been an ad before you could watch it. That's how YouTube makes money, and they will pay out some of that to you, the creator of the content. On average, YouTube pays around $3 per 1,000 views. However, that number fluctuates between as low as 50 cents per 1,000 views and up to $30 or even more per 1,000 views. What you'll earn really depends on the topic of your videos. At the moment of creating this video, my YouTube channel earns around $10 per 1,000 views on average. Before you can start earning from YouTube ad revenue, you'll need 1,000 subscribers and have more than 4,000 hours of watch time in the last year. It can take some time to reach these numbers, but there are ways to start earning passive income from your YouTube channel a lot earlier. One of them is again through affiliate marketing, and that's how this YouTube channel you're watching right now makes 90% of its revenue. When you go through my channel, you'll notice that many of my videos are tutorials and how-to videos, and almost all of them have affiliate links in the description. This video, for example, explains step by step how to install Jarvee, an Instagram automation software. When people watch this video and use the link in the description to go to the website and sign up, I get 50% commission of what they pay the software company each month. And even though this video is over a year old, it's still ranked high in search and therefore keeps getting a significant amount of views every month and earns passive income for me. It's actually the second video I've uploaded on this channel when I still had 0 subscribers. And that's what's so awesome about YouTube. You can have 0 subscribers and still get views and make money. After Google, YouTube is the second largest search engine, so when you create valuable videos for topics people are actually searching for, YouTube will put your video in front of these people and you start getting views. I'm actually planning on creating a video tutorial about how to rank videos and get views with 0 subscribers, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel to not miss that one. As you might have noticed, affiliate marketing is my personal favorite when it comes to creating passive income streams online. If you're interested in learning more about how to start earning passive income online through affiliate marketing, I highly suggest reading my affiliate marketing ebook. In this ebook, I've broken down the entire process in 7 simple steps that you have to take to be able to earn a full-time passive income with affiliate marketing. And I'll send you the ebook completely for free. All you have to do is click on the first link in the description and let me know the email address I should send this ebook to. Also, let me know in the comment section if you've changed your view on passive income after watching this video, or if this was the first time you ever heard about passive income online. Leave me a thumbs up if you've learned something from this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos about how you can start earning passive income online.